Hello, traders. This is Ad Zeros, and I want to do a quick recap for today. I had a small green day. I had a few beautiful trades in the afternoon and in the morning, but I also had a one not too good trade in the morning, and I just went a bit little oversized on it, and it cost me, a little bit of time to get recovered. And what I did, lowered my size throughout the day so that I do not need to, uh, you know get make my loss bigger. So let's start with my first trade. I just wanted to teach you a couple of things. I wanted to share my thought process as well. So first trade was my wish, and it was in the morning trade. And if I go back here and look at this, this is the morning chart. uh, Very bullish in the pre-market. A strong volume came in, and the volume then died down, and then I saw in the first minute candle the 1.4 million of shares have been just in traded in the 1 minute. And when I noticed that, I thought it's gonna break this candle, and I'm gonna go long. If you can see that the multiple time I entered here, the only mistake I guess I made it at that I should wait until this 1050 to cross, and then I should go long, to edit my position. But I added before 1050. It never moved back up, and it's just dropped. And when the moment it dropped, I was just waited for what I need to do, and immediately the next drop very very bad, and then just stopped out. And the moment I stopped out, we moved back up to not too close to that, but more or less same. But I'm glad that I stopped out. I didn't hold. That's not a good habit to hold your stops. Then I had a next trade in the Mara. If you have missed the morning pre-market session, I would encourage you to come and join us. And that was my plan. I told in the morning that the Mara is going to be the stock in play, the uh, given that the Bitcoin prices are over $40,000. And I beautiful entry I had on the 2920, and I look a little bit of partial here, and then I added into my position, and then partial all the way up to this point. So this is a beautiful trade I had like this. And then the next trade, I got didn't get the good trade couple of time. It was a slow volume, and I just chopped out on this in the JMIA stock. And so it was really spready, and it's just dropped very well. So this was a bear flag with my stop loss of a 20 cents. I bought the trade, but it's dropped so fast that I got the entry so late, and then I did not have any reason to hold until my stop loss. So it moved back down. I added into my position. I was confident that now it's going to come down. It moved a little bit, only 10-15 cents, and then boom, it's just reversed, and then stopped out. And that was another not too good trade. And then it come the beautiful trade. And then the next trade was a very beautiful trade I had on the wish, and I'm going to show you here in the afternoon. A very nice trade I had, and there you go. So it's the same concept here. Is making a bull flag over the VWAP. This is one of my best trades. I entered into the position because it was still the week, so I was not pretty sure it's going to do this time. Only with the 10 cents stop loss, I added into my position when it moved and it broke out. And I took the first partial because I was not sure whether it's going to continue, just a little bit of off. And then I took all the way the partials, and up to the 1 point I took it. So very beautiful trade. And then one trade I had in the riot, and which is in the afternoon. It was also very beautiful trade I had. Let me show you. Yeah. So if you look at it, more or less the charting, look, this area look a little bit of similar as with the Wish. The stock came down, move back to the VWAP, came down, make the lower lows, and here is make the bull flag. I add into my position. The moment it broke out, I added more position, but I was expecting this candle to move a little bit quickly, but it didn't. So I took a little bit off here. I don't want to take too much risk in the afternoon. I don't trade, and then as stock move up, I took some partials, and I got the whole 1 point trade. So very beautiful, and it's very important for you guys to understand that you need to have certain parameters, and so very important for you guys to understand uh, that for in order to get the consistency in the market, you need to trade same parameters and same things again and again in order for you to make money. On this note, if you've enjoyed this video, please free to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do share with your friends, and let me know if you any other topic you want me to cover. Thank you.